These are Tangram shapes. There are 7 shapes in a complete set. We have 5 right triangles, a square, and a parallelogram. One way in which we can use the Tangram shapes is to help us plot the vertices of a shape on a coordinate grid. So here I have a coordinate grid, and I've already mostly labeled the x-axis and the y-axis. I'm going to choose the medium shape, and I'm going to set it on the coordinate grid. Now what I'm going to do is identify the plotted points for each of the vertices. So here I have 4, 2, I have 4, 7, and I have 9, 2. So I'm going to record those. And now I'm going to give these plotted points to a partner and ask my partner to place the points on the coordinate grid and find out which shape I had plotted. So they're going to do 4 across, 2 up, 4 across, 7 up, 9 across, 2 up. And then they will connect the plotted points. They see that it's a triangle. They will take a look and see that they have plotted the vertices for a medium triangle. And here's one way in which we can use the Tangram shapes to help us plot vertices of a shape on a coordinate grid.